What's up guys, how are you doing? Today I have another Pokemon video. I stopped at my local game store, Millennium Games, and I picked up some, 2 more singles. We got Grafaiai EX, full art from Fates Collide, I believe. Just an awesome card, need it for the collection. And then we got a Mega Rayquaza EX from Celebration. So this isn't the original, but it's still cool looking. And here's what the main event of the video is. We got a whatever this Pokemon's name is. I'm not even gonna try to say it. Grafaiai EX, whatever his name is. Pokemon has some weird names right now. Let's crack into it. This was $20 by the way. It comes with 4 packs, just like the other unboxing I did of the Mablestiff EX. You get the EX, and a jumbo card, and 4 packs. I don't know what packs come in this. I saw some Temporal Forces, which I haven't opened any of that set yet, so that's gonna be cool. Let's see here. Let's get this guy out of the package. The Pokemon, they gotta package everything like crazy. Oh, sorry about that. Here's the code card for the card. You can get the card in the game. Let's see what else is it. We got the EX. Pause if you want to read what it does. It's pre-evolution Strudel. And then we got the jumbo card, which is always cool. I used to love collecting those when I was a kid. And then we got our packs. So we got 2 Temporal Forces, 1 Paradox Rift, and Scarlet and Violet. And I think that's the order I'm going to open them and save the Temporal Forces for last. Okay, let's get started. Scarlet and Violet, first pack. Let's see. Scarlet and Violet base set. It's not the most valuable set, but I really enjoy it. I think it's got some cool cards. The Lightning, Energy Switch, Varoom, Launcher, Skidoo, Judge, Floatzel, Lucario, Reverse Team Star Grunt, and an alternate art Starly, and an Oinkologne EX. So that's a great first pack. I've noticed the Scarlet and Violet base set has some really good pull rates. Like I've opened a lot. I've opened 2 booster boxes and I've opened like 3 Elite Trainer boxes and all this stuff. Scarlet and Violet, they tend to have pretty good pull rates, and that's awesome. That is absolutely awesome. Gotta sleeve these 2 up real quick. Put them here. So that's great. You got 2 hits for 1 pack. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. You guys can have the code card for this. Here we go. Boom. Let's get on to the next pack. Some Paradox Rift. Have not opened much Paradox Rift. I've had not the best luck. I've gotten some stuff from it, but I don't know. I don't think I've opened enough to really know much. So we got Psychic Energy, Trubbish, Gimmighoul, a Wiglet, Jirachi, Tinkaton, Durant, Earthen Vessel, Reverse Nickit, and an alternate art. Oh no, alternate art or a special illustration rare, Professor Turo's Scenario. That is awesome. So we are doing pretty good so far on this opening, but that makes me worried that these Temporal Forces packs aren't gonna have like anything, you know. But who knows? Who knows? This could just be like a god. Because I got that great pull. Here's the code card for this set too. Let's see. Okay, time for Temporal Forces. Let's open this guy first. Grass Energy, Bronzor, Mudbray, Ghastly, Finizen, Ribombee, Future Booster Energy, Iron Hands, reversed Dunsparce, reversed Delmise, and a Miraidon EX. Oh my goodness, this box is amazing. We've gotten a hit in every pack we've opened. The first pack we got 2 hits. So technically we are 4 hits for 4 packs right now, but let's see. Let's see. Last pack of the box. This is a great box so far. I'm not complaining one bit about it. We got an illustration rare, we got 2 regular EXs, and we got a special illustration rare. Let's see, we got Water, P-Dove, Pineco, Mawile, Metadite, Golurk, Shaman, Cypher Maniacs Codebreaking, Reverse Bramblin, Reverse Sawsbuck, and then an Iron Valiant Hollow. Okay, so I have to say that was a pretty good box. We'll quickly go over what we pulled. So this is the promo that came with the box. And then we got our Oinkalone EX, our Starly illustration rare. We got our special illustration rare, Professor Turo's Scenario. And we have our Miraidon EX. Awesome. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!